If you're looking to buy a condo and what's important to you is having inside laundry hookups, washer and dryer hookups inside the unit so you can have your own laundry and not use a community laundry room, then it's very important obviously to set up your search so that only those units will come up so you don't waste time driving around looking at units that don't have this. The best thing you could do is work with an agent because the agent has access to the MLS, and agent MLS access has very in-depth search tools. I'll show you right here. So I'm here in the MLS agent portal and I'm going to go to search for condos, and just to look it up real quick, I'm going to type in laundry. I've already done this search before, so it's come up. So interior features, it's going to be in here somewhere. I think it's laundry. Here it is. So here I can select, do I want community, garage, in carport, closet, in kitchen, living room? In unit is what I want, as well as inside. See, everything else, laundry area, that means it's not inside the unit. So if I do that, and let's say I want to find something in Culver City because I have a current condo that I'm trying to sell in Culver City. It does not have laundry hookups inside, and that is a big point for a lot of people. When they find out that there's no laundry hookups inside, they're like, oh well. But there are some in Culver City. So here are 4. Well, there's 5, I guess, altogether. Well, this one is, for some reason, it's way over here in Culver West. Anyways, let's look at them. So, and you have to look at them to make sure, because sometimes the agent doesn't enter the information correctly, and some things come up where it's not really, the laundry's not really inside. So here he says laundry inside. Okay, good. So we'll see that, and then we'll look at the photos. These are like digitally staged. The furniture is digitally staged, so it looks kind of unnatural. And okay, so here's community photos. Okay, we'll keep going. Hopefully, they didn't include any photos of the laundry. Oh well, let's check out the next listing then. The next listing. Here's something over. Okay, I've seen this already, so I know this has laundry. So here's the living room. Those are digitally staged as well. Furniture, that is. And there it is. There it is, right in the dining area. There's a stacked laundry machines. Okay, so let's say you're not working with an agent. What can you do? Well, there's a number of real estate websites that you can look at. The MLS consumer-facing version, unfortunately, does not have laundry fields that you can select. Zillow, interesting enough, doesn't either. Check this out. I'll just do a quick search with your home type. Let's do condos, and if you click more, there should be some more criteria you can select, and there's no inside laundry. So, oh well, Zillow is like, one of the best real estate websites, but oh well, they don't have it. Redfin. I'm going to Redfin because I know it has it. So see here. I'm going to select condos here. For Los Angeles, I'll just do search. And it's going to bring up a bunch of condos here. I'm going to go to all filters. What is this? Okay, all filters. And if you scroll down here, washer dryer hookups. Okay, so I'm gonna set like some other criteria just so I don't get all these other ones that are not going to be, comparable. What I should do is set the price. Where's the price? Oh, here it is. So let's say it's at 750,000. Okay, I'm gonna select that just so I can narrow it down. So there's a lot, obviously. Let's just take a look in Culver City. What kind of condos have laundry in Culver City? Interesting, none are showing up here. Well, here's one on Overland, not exactly Culver City. And 670, not bad. Where's the laundry info? Okay, property details. Laundry has laundry community, it says. Oh boy. Alright, so let's take a look at the photos to make sure. Don't see any laundry. And they're not showing any community laundry photos either. So in any case, Redfin does have the laundry search criteria, but as you can see, it's not exactly working. I know I've used Redfin to look at other units with laundry, and it does show correctly. However, that's not always the case, which it could be again. See, this one says community laundry. What's up with that, huh? So it could be that Redfin's search criteria thing is not very exact, obviously, or the agent didn't enter it correctly. Most likely, agent did enter it correctly. It's just Redfin is not picking up right. So the best bet is to work with the agent. If you're looking for a condo that has laundry inside, don't hesitate to contact me. This is Dale Shin, LA Area Realtor. If you thought this was helpful, click like and subscribe for more content.